What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready for our 3-box mini break tonight, break 606. It is a 3-box break with Steel City Gold Rush, Fleer Showcase, and 1314 Panini Crown Royal. So let's do it. We're live. Good luck. 4 times on the random will give us our teams. 907. Here's Clay, top spot. Clay with 1 to 30, and then Anaheim to Winnipeg, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is the time stamp. Time stamp on 3. 907. 907. Last and final. We got Buffalo on top. Let's copy this over first. Last and final time stamp is 908. And 908 it is. Buffalo, top spot. Arizona, halfway. And then LA to Nashville. Their teams. Let's do the names to match it up. 908. Clay to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp.
From its Sky's title fight with featherweight champion Chris Cyborg, was with less than 4 weeks before fight day.
Timestamp on 3. 908. 908. Last and final. Oh, last and final timestamp. Last and final is at 908. And 908 it is. Let's copy over. Chad, top spot. Billy, halfway mark. And then Jesse to Jay. All right, folks. Here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in 20 minutes. Best of luck with the break.